Hello, Amar. How are you? Today we are together again, and today I will teach you a new subject. But it's disgusting, and I can't. I don't feel myself comfortable on this chair because I miss my old chair, and maybe I miss my old room, and I miss my old settee. Yes, I am in Tekirdağ now. I was in Istanbul before. Yes, yes. Actually, I used to live in Istanbul, but now I am in Tekirdağ. Used to? You haven't heard it about it. Okay, okay, okay. Used to is an important subject in English, actually. For example, it always refers to the past. Now, now I am in Tekirdağ, but I was in Istanbul. I used to live in Istanbul. I used to live in Istanbul, but I don't live in Istanbul now. I am in Tekirdağ. You get it? Uh, for example, do you smoke? No? Okay. Did you smoke before? Yes, okay. You can say easily, I used to smoke, but I don't now. Okay? Yes, used to refers to the past. We use it to talk about habits, states, or facts that were true before, but which aren't true now. Okay? Yes. For example, I said you that I used to live in Istanbul, but now I don't. This is used to subject. Okay. What are you saying? I am used to. No, 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 no. Don't use I am. Don't use it. Just used to. Yes, there is something about be used to too. It is typically used in the past and present. Yes, and it refers to the state of being familiar with, comfortable with, and accustomed to something. Uh, for example, I am used to living here. Yes, I am used to living here. Um, you can do several things to use this thing. Okay. For example, I will share my screen with you now. You can see it from me. Okay. Can you see it now? Yes. You can say, actually, we can say that. Used to do. We use used to subject. Pink. I dislike pink. I have the pink another color. Okay. Uh, we use used to and plus infinitive. We're referring to a past habit or action that we were no longer. For example, I gave you an example 5 minutes ago, maybe. I said that you smoke before. You used to smoke. Yes. The sentence say that when I was younger, I used to smoke. Ömer used to smoke when he was younger, right? Okay. We used to go out every weekend before we had kids. Yes. And be used to is about now. For example, I used to live in Istanbul. I live in Tekirdağ now. And I am used to living here. Yes. Mhm. For example, you drink coffee sugar free. Yes, right, right. Uh, you used to drink coffee with sugar, but you are used to drinking coffee sugar free. That's the same. Can you make more example about it, please? Yes, 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 yes. Actually, it's not difficult. Uh, actually, I want to separate used to and put it on the side, and be used to on the other side, and don't mix them. Used to is about the past. Be used to is about now. Okay? Yes. They are they are brothers. Sisters. Okay, they are sisters. Okay, how you wish. How you wish. Actually, the structures for used to talk about the past states, past facts, past behaviors, and base. It has some base word too. Um, yes, yes. For example, go, play, with, like. Bananas, no bananas. I think they wrote wrong. And we have to use a gerund using be used to plus gerund verb. Okay, it has to followed by a noun. Yes. I think it's not difficult. You get it? Okay. Of course, I'm going to send you some exercises and some videos. And I have one too now. For example, okay. I will send my another screen with you now, but I have to find it. Okay. This is a test. But before the test, I want to show you a short film about that. Yes. This shows you about using used to and be used to. Yes, actually, we did like that before. Do you remember? Ah, very good. You remember it. Okay. Yes, let's watch it together as it used to be. Yes, let's watch it. It will take 8 minutes for both of us. Yes. There will be 30 questions. What used to be wrong about his formal suit? What? Yes. He isn't wearing a short trousers. Yes. Maybe he is used to, do you want to write it? Used to wear a short before, maybe. Yes. He used to wear shorts to work. I mean, he wore before, but now he doesn't. Okay. Yes, he's walking. It will take 30 minutes. He's walking. What a complex places. I dislike places like that. Yes. Of course, there are negative and question forms about used to. I will teach you right now after the video, okay? Yes, he's doing some things about the work, about his work, and looking at the watch time. Oh, it needs to be crowded. What was wrong about the classroom? Answer, please. Sorry? Yes. It used to be empty. You got it right. Okay. I am pretending to be done it. Okay. It took 8 minutes. Okay, thank you. And now we can do this test together. But before then, I have to show you something. Okay. Okay. Okay, can you see that? Can you see my screen? Thank you. And sometimes we have to use different parts of it. Okay. For example, Used to, what is that? What is it? What is it? What is behaving like that? Again, I don't get it. Okay, now. Okay, now. To be, used to do, used. I have to use, yes, letters. Used to do. And we have to use an infinitive, Okay. For example, when, for example, let's use another color for the examples. Okay. Okay. I used to, I used to sleep late when I was younger, but now I don't. Okay. But this is a positive form. But can you see that the ed at the end of the word? Right. It is the same as simple past tense. So we have to use did not. I did not used to, okay, used to sleep late. I did not used to sleep late when I was younger. Okay, this is negative form, affirmative and negative. And now, can you say the question form, please? Yes. Did you used to? No, don't use the. Used to. Did you used to sleep late when you were younger? When you were younger. Okay. Is it simple? Thank you. Yes, I know it's very simple. Thank you. And now we will do another thing now, okay? Okay. Okay, listen to me now. As I said before, used to refers to actions and situations in the past, which no longer happen or are no longer true. It always refers to the past. Yes. Do you need more examples? Okay. For example, tell me more examples, please. She didn't used to play soccer. Okay. Does she play now? Yes, it's okay. Okay, let's, I will ask some questions and you will say it about the past, okay? Um, I used to go vacation every summer. I used to go vacation every summer. Yes, I didn't used to. Okay, I study too much in these days. In the past, I used to study much in the past. Yes, it's a three sentences. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We watched a video and we saw with the test. Do you forget the test? Okay, this is the test. For example, I work in a bank, but now I'm working as a designer. Do you need to hear in Turkish? No? Okay, answer it, please. Used to, okay. We go to cinema very often. Go to cinema very often. Didn't used to. Yes, it's a wrong past. Didn't used to. Thank you. We eat out every Saturday. Okay. We used to eat out every Saturday. Get used to. Yes, I'm gonna teach you about get used to too. They are triplets. Used to be used to be, and get used to be are triplets. Yes. I think you got it. I hope you have learned it. Do you have any questions about that? Thank you. I'm glad you know everything now. Please send me 10 sentences using used to and using be used to in different works by using your voice message. I am going to teach them, listen to them, and answer you as soon as possible. ASAP, yes. Thank you for now. Thank you. It's very difficult to teach online. Actually, actually, without a student, this is very too hard. I beg your pardon. Thank you. See you.